Hello, welcome to Purchet. My name is Ronnie and today I'll be showing you how to set up your host account on Purchet. If you're a hostel owner or a property manager that wants to put your listing onto Purchet, the best way to do that is by creating an account, and also by having a profile. It helps your tenants trust you more. So let's get into it and let me show you how to set up your account. So the first thing that you need to do is just come on to purchet.com and that will bring you to this page over here, which is the home page. Now you want to look in the header over here and then click the sign up button, and that will bring you to the sign up page over here. Now on the sign up page, you can choose to sign up as a student or as a host. Since today we are creating a host account, just click the host and then that will give us this form over here to fill. So I'm going to create a demo account which you'll be using throughout this journey. So you go ahead and type in your first name, your last name, your valid email address, your valid phone number, and then confirm your password over here. So I'm going to fill in these details right now. Alright, so go ahead and fill in these details just like I have done over here. Then scroll to the bottom and click to agree with the terms and conditions. Then click create account. Great. Just like that, our host account has been created, and then we brought to this page over here to confirm our email and phone number. So to begin with, we'll be asked to confirm our email address. So that means that a verification code will be sent to your email address, which you enter in here and then click verify. So in order to get this email address, click this resend button over here and then the email will be sent to your email address. So I'm going to do that right now. Alright, so I went into my email and this is the code that was sent to me. So I'm just going to enter it here and then click verify email, and then just like that, my email has been verified. Now the next step is to verify my phone number. So to do that, come down here and then click resend SMS, and then a code will be sent to your phone number. Just the same, the code has been sent to my phone number, and then this is what I received. So I'm just going to click complete verification. Great. So now my account has been verified, my email has been verified, and we now have our host account and we can start posting onto Purchet. However, there's just one more thing that you need to do in order to complete your account and then also make sure that your account is very secure. So in order to do that, you come over here to the sidebar and then see where your name is, where it has host accounts, and you want to click on this card, and then that will bring you to your host profile page. Now if you're on mobile, this is the way that you get to your host profile page. Just come here to the header, click on the drop down menu, and then click on your card over here, and then that will similarly bring you to your host profile page. Alright, so if you come to your host profile, on the sidebar over here, you see a small checklist that you need to go through to finish up your account. The first one is add a host bio. The second one is complete your contact details, which we just did. So if you look on your host card over here, you'll be able to see email is checked, phone number is checked, meaning we've completed these two steps and our email and phone number has been verified. And then over here, you can see it says upload verification document. So this is where you'll be able to verify your identity by using some verification document. And then the next and final step would be to upload your first property. So we can complete the first step, which is add your host bio right on this page. So to add our host bio, you just click edit profile, and then that will make everything on this page editable for you, meaning you'll be able to change the details on your profile page. Now if you scroll down here to the bottom, you'll be able to see where it says hosting profile. This is where you need to complete your host bio. So the first thing that you need to do is to type in your business name. The next thing is the business email address, which could also be the same email as the one you use for signing up, and your business phone number, and then a small description about your business. So I'm quickly just going to fill this out and then we can save our process. Alright, so over here I've just placed in some dummy information about our hostel, and we can see over here I said the business name is called Johnson's Hostel, the email is hello@johnsonhostel.com, and then the phone number is over here, and then we've placed an about which says serving our community since 2010. However, I'd recommend that you put a more detailed about section over here because that will help your tenants have more confidence in you. So after filling this section, you just scroll back up and then click save changes. Great. And then just like that, you've completed one of the tasks, which is add a host bio. Now the next thing that you'd have to do is to upload your verification documents and then publish your first listing. So to upload your verification documents, you can just hover over this verification documents section and then click on it, and then that will bring you to this documents and verifications page. Now if you scroll down here, you see that there are a couple of documents that are being required of you, which is the Ghana card, your business license, your property deed, and your tax certificate. So after uploading these documents, they will be verified and and then your account becomes more credible. Now, the reason why Purchet asks you to upload these documents is to ensure more security and safety for both hosts and students on the platform. So students will also be required to upload documents to ensure that anyone who comes onto the platform is who they say they are. Alright, so that's it. After going through these few steps, you finish the first step of creating your host account. You've uploaded your documents, you've updated your bio, and now the next step will be to create your first property listing on Purchet, which I'll be teaching you in the next video. The video should be on your screen right now. Click it and let's jump right into it.